Hi traders, and welcome to the daily recap show for today, which is Wednesday the 1st of June. So we said we still had the key resistance zone above at 76.67 to 76.77, and we had initial support today at 75.76 to 75.86. However, if we gain acceptance below there, we could make moves towards support at 75.03 to 75.13. So let's go and have a look at the FTSE today. Okay, so as you can see on the FTSE today, we have held this initial support zone that we said today at 75.76, 75.86. We held it here on that first push down after the open, and we held it again here. So this support zone has worked really nicely. We have managed to get up to that zone above. Certainly, if you was in this trade here, you would have been risk managing around this sort of 7600 area maybe as well, the overnight lows. We also had yesterday's gap at 7607, so that was another area that you would have been looking to cover some of your risk. And then potentially could have targeted up to this zone here as well. So that trade would have worked out really nicely today. That really is the only trade that it's the only zone that we've engaged with today that we was looking to trade from. So that would have been the only real trade that you would have had potentially today. I wouldn't have been looking to short this zone up here, although this has set up a couple of a reversal signal from this zone. I wouldn't have been looking to short this just because the overall trend is bullish at the moment on the higher time frame, so we would favour buys from support. So that's the FTSE. Now let's go and have a look at the DAX. So on the DAX, we said we needed to break 14,490 to 14,515 zone to make moves higher. We said only impulsive and sustained breaks above higher zones would indicate moves to higher time frame resistance. We said we wanted to gain acceptance below 14,360 to 14,385 to see moves lower to better, stronger support zones below. So let's go and have a look at the DAX today. Okay, so as you can see, the two minor zones that we mentioned in the DAX report this morning have worked really nicely. This one here, we got the push up into that zone. I was looking for the liquidity grab around that 14,503, the overnight high area, and then I would have definitely been looking to trade that. But we didn't quite see that liquidity grab, so I didn't quite get a setup that I was ideally looking for. We then got a push down, and as you can see, we got the buy trade, the buy signal there from that zone there. It's not a high probability buy signal. Probably would have preferred it to be slightly deeper into the zone, but that was a potential long from that minor support zone. And that has actually pushed higher today as well, back up towards that 14,490 to 515 zone. So the minor zones have worked well on the FTSE and Dax today. That can be like that when the market's not very volatile at the moment, as we've been talking all week. We've got the public holidays. We started off with the public holiday in the US. We've got the public holidays now coming up in the UK, and we've also got non-farm payrolls on Friday. So a bit lower volatility in the markets. So, but as you can see, the zones are still working well. There are still some trading opportunities around. So, hope you find this useful. I'm going to be taking a couple of days off over the long UK public holiday, but I will be back next week on Monday. Please let me know what you think of these reports. Comment in the box below. Sign up to the Keyzone service and come be part of the Keyzone Traders community in the Discord channel, where you can get to discuss these reports and potential trade setups with other traders who are part of the service as well. So that can add some real value to your trading, and it's completely free. So please come sign up. The link is in the box below on our YouTube channel. So I hope you found this useful. Have a great long weekend, and I will speak to you all next week.